If Microsoft Edge is giving you a runtime error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a couple of simple fixes that can often solve the problem fast. This is a great quick tutorial if Edge is crashing, not loading properly, or showing errors that seem to come out of nowhere. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, we're going to start with a basic repair step from the control panel. Go ahead and open the control panel on your Windows computer. The easiest way is to use the Start menu search and type Control Panel, then open it from the results. Once you're inside Control Panel, look for the section that lets you manage installed programs. Depending on your view, this may be called Programs, Programs and Features, or something similar. Now find Microsoft Edge in the list. If you see it there, right-click on Microsoft Edge and look for the Change option. This may show up as Change, Modify, or Repair, depending on your system version and installed settings. Select that option and follow the on-screen prompts. This step helps Windows check Edge's installation and repair any damaged files that may be causing the runtime error. If Windows asks for permission or wants you to confirm the action, just allow it and continue. Let the repair process finish fully before closing anything. Once that is done, restart Microsoft Edge and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix common browser issues. If you're still seeing the runtime error after that, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted browser data can often cause crashes, loading issues, and strange runtime problems. To do this, open Microsoft Edge again and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut opens the Clear Browsing Data window instantly. When the window appears, make sure you select the options for cookies and cached files. You want to clear the cookies and cache, since those are the items most likely to be causing the issue. If you want, you can also clear other temporary browsing data, but for this fix, cookies and cache are the main ones to focus on. After selecting the right options, choose the time range you want to clear. If you're not sure, selecting all time is usually the most thorough option. Then click the Clear button and wait for the process to complete. Once it finishes, close Microsoft Edge completely and open it again. This gives the browser a fresh start with the corrupted temporary files that may have been triggering the runtime error in the first place. If Edge opens normally now, great. The issue is likely related to damaged browser data or a small installation problem. If it still doesn't work, you may need to try a few more advanced fixes, but these first two steps solve the problem for many users. So to recap, first go to Control Panel, right-click Microsoft Edge, and choose the Change or Repair option. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete in Edge and clear the cookies and cache. These two steps are simple, safe, and often very effective for fixing Microsoft Edge runtime errors. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Windows and browser troubleshooting videos, and comment below if you want help with another Edge error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.